Welcome to our video on how to make this 3D part. First we will make this base. Extrude in this direction. Second this part. In last, we will make this rib. Let's start activity. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add a new document. Click here to add a new body. Click here to add a new sketch. Select Plane. You can see empty sketch. Turn off auto constraints. Turn on grid. Adjust grid size. No constraints, no elements. Select Polyline tool. Draw rough sketch. Select first point as an end point. You can see degrees of freedom. Constraints by Polyline tool. Line elements. Provide vertical constraint. Provide horizontal constraint. Provide equal length constraint. Provide symmetry constraint. Provide horizontal distance between points. Provide length. You can see remaining degrees of freedom. Let's constrain it. You can see fully constrained sketch. Select Pad tool to extrude this sketch. Let's make second sketch. Draw rough sketch. Degrees of freedom. Let's connect points by coincident constraint. Provide vertical constraint. Provide horizontal constraint. Use equal length constraint. Use tangent constraint. Provide radius. Check remaining degrees of freedom. Provide vertical length. You can use expression tool. Let's fix planar degrees of freedom. You can see fully constrained sketch. Close this sketch. Use pad tool to extrude this sketch. Select symmetry. Click OK. In last, let's make rib. Add new sketch. Select plane. Draw rough sketch. Provide horizontal constraint. Provide vertical constraint. Provide coincident constraint. Provide tangent constraint. Extend this line. Provide dimensions. Provide radius. Provide vertical distance. You can use tangent constraint. Trim extra edges. Provide planar degrees of freedom. You can see fully constrained sketch. Extrude this sketch. Select symmetry. Click OK. Select last feature. Change this condition to true. Let's export this body. Let's import part. Move this part. Change part color. And there you have it. By following along and analyzing the isometric view, you've successfully recreated this part. Well done! Remember, practice makes perfect, and with time, you'll develop the skills to tackle even more challenging designs. Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity.